Hey guys, welcome back to Suji's cookbook. Today I am going to show the basic recipe of prawns fry. Let's go with ingredients. Prawns, onions, green chillies, mint leaves, coconut powder, salt, garam masala powder, chilli powder, coriander leaves, pepper, freshly grinded ginger garlic paste. Let's go with procedure. First I am going to show how to make garam masala powder. For this, take 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of zeera, 4 cloves, 2 small size sticks of cinnamon, 2 ilachi, 5 to 7 dry red chillis. Saute it well. Fry until the fragrance will come. Now move these spices into a blender jar and powder finely. Now the garam masala powder is ready. Here I am taking dry coconut for this coconut powder. Just chop dry coconut into small pieces and make it in a powder form. Now coconut powder also ready. Next go into another step. Prawns. Here I am taking fresh prawns which I already cleaned and deveined. In this add 1 tablespoon of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of chilli powder. Marinate it well. Now close the lid and cook it for few minutes. After a few minutes the water will come like this. But you have to cook until the water completely evaporates. Like this. Now the prawns also ready. Let's go to cooking procedure. Take a pan. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add freshly chopped onions. Fry it for few minutes. Now add green chillies. And add ginger garlic paste. Saute it well. Now add coconut powder. Now add boiled prawns and fry this for 2 minutes. Now add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of chilli powder. Here you can add salt and chilli powder as per your taste. Now finally add garam masala powder. And add half a cup of water. Finally, add some mint leaves. Now the prawns fry is ready. Transfer this into a serving bowl. If you like this video, please like and comment, and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.